for a couple to think that whether we are capable of becoming pregnant or not, to get even a doubt about that, I would say that there has to be a complete 1 to 2 years given where they have unprotected sexual intercourses for 2 full years, and only then think whether they are really not capable of fertilizing the egg. From the first day of the menstrual period, the uterine endometrium, that is the innermost tissue of the uterus, is expelled along with the unfertilized ovum, and that lasts for 3 to 5 days depending on the cycle length in the lady. And this happens every 28 days, that is the average menstrual cycle duration, and in some people it can go even up to 35 days cycle. So it really does not matter, but as long as it is regular menstrual cycle, then we are quite convinced that the lady is having a proper ovulatory menstrual cycle. By ovulation, what we mean is every ovary releases one ovum every month. Say for example, in the month of July, the left ovary releases one egg. The month of August, the right ovary would release the egg. So once the egg is released, it is immediately taken by the finger-like projections of the fallopian tube, that is the uterine tube, and that propels the egg into the uterine cavity. So as it is propelling along, if there is an unprotected sexual intercourse, the sperms make an entry into the uterus and they swim upwards and they meet the egg in the fallopian tube. So for this particular fertilization to happen, the ovum has to be completely released from the ovary, and that happens around the 14th day of the normal menstrual cycle, and this is particularly timed very well. Say if it is a 28-day menstrual cycle, it happens on the 14th day of the menstrual cycle. If it is a 35-day menstrual cycle, we will have to calculate the expected menstrual period. Say for example, the previous menstrual period was on July 1st. In a 35-day menstrual cycle, it will be on the 5th of August. So from there we will have to subtract 14 days, and that will give us the ovulation date. If the fertilization or if there is an exposure to the sperms during that period, the chances of fertilization, the likelihood is very, very high. So that is why it is essential that we normally allow 2 full years of unprotected sexual intercourse to think before taking help about pregnancy. So wishing you all the best for a happy period now, so that you relax yourself and enjoy each other to begin with. Only then we will be able to enjoy the baby.